Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing tools and removing the shell. Use a tri-wing to remove the 6 screws on the back, then pry the halves apart carefully so ribbon cables don't snap. Once done, set the screws in order and lift out the circuit board and metal shielding. Make sure to note the stick orientation and the small white retention clip. You'll need the replacement spring and a tiny Phillips for later, so keep them within reach and don't touch contacts with oily fingers. You now access the analog stick module itself. Remove the metal shield and unscrew the stick assembly screws. Lift the module straight up to avoid bending pins. Once exposed, separate the stick cap, spring, and plastic bushings. Pay attention to their order because reassembly matters. Inspect the collar and cup for wear or stripped plastic. Replace the small internal spring if flattened, and clean grime with isopropyl on a swab. You're at reassembly. Put parts back carefully. Seat the new spring squarely in the cup, lightly lubricate the pivot with a tiny amount of dielectric grease, and reattach bushings and cap in the original orientation. Test the stick's feel before closing the shell. Make sure it recenters cleanly and isn't binding. Once happy, replace the shield and case screws. If looseness or drift remains, remove and confirm spring seating or replace the entire stick module. That resolves persistent mechanical wear more reliably than repeated tweaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.